So first thing first, you need to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And then to watch UniMás network on YouTube TV, you got to have either YouTube TV base plan or the Spanish plan. So if you already have the YouTube TV base plan, then you can watch UniMás network right away. But if you don't have the YouTube TV base plan yet and you only care to watch UniMás, then I'd recommend you just to purchase the Spanish plan for a cheaper prices. And then to buy those plans, on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on the store icon, and then you want to click on all to see all the networks. And here you can just buy the YouTube TV base plan for 60 bucks per month, or you can just get the cheaper price, the Spanish plan, for 25 bucks per month. So either of them, just click on it. And then you want to click on next and then complete your purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And then to watch UniMás on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click on the search icon. And then you want to search for Uni. And here on the UniMás network, you want to click on it. And then you may scroll down and see the live session of the UniMás. And you can also watch any series or movies from UniMás on demand. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I'll try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch UniMás on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.